Road, they're giving power to the people using shovels and hoes to grow the seeds that they sow. Underneath the big blue Kansas sky, folks are coming to the farm with the hopes to unify all walks of life. We're giving back to the land, taking charge of our destiny. We can plant a little seed and unleash an opportunity. Unfortunately, due to inequality, not all communities have access to fruits and veggies, but heaven's ours to reap. We don't have to rely on the powers that be. Change starts here with you and me. Hey, hey, let's learn to farm today. It's a new kind of school, give us tools that'll help us survive. The knowledge isn't lost, just forgotten, we can help it revive. Put our devices aside and interact with other human beings. Digging in the dirt, making friends with the birds and the bees. Digging in the dirt, making friends with the birds and the bees.